Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add green screen and OBS without green screen. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to achieve this without a physical green screen. Now, let's choose a solid background color that is not present in your actual scene. This could be a wall, curtain, or any surface with a consistent color. Now, we'll want to make sure the lighting on the background is even to minimize shadows and variations in color. And now, let's set up your scene in OBS Studio. Now, launch the OBS Studio on your computer. Ensure even lighting on the background to minimize shadows and color variations as mentioned before. Now, let's proceed by accessing the link provided in the description below. Click on Go to Downloads, then scroll down to locate the installer. Once found, click on Downloads, then select the downloaded file. Follow the prompts for the download process. And you can choose the file location. Click Finish when done. Now, let's open OBS and add sources. Go to Video Capture Device. Click OK. Choose your camera and hit OK. Reposition it by going back to Sources. Add the new source by clicking the plus button. Name it Green Screen. And click OK. And now, let's click the Browse. Select the green colored MP4 file. Create it using editing software or apps. Ensuring the frame size matches OBS. Go ahead and click Open. Toggle the loop option. And then hit OK. Now, you'll notice your screen is green. Position the green screen below the video capture device. Right-click on the video capture. Select Filter. Click the plus button. Choose Background Removal. Click OK. Then close. And now, we've successfully added a green screen effect in OBS without the need for an actual green screen. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.